Hey everybody, it's Cooking with Gordon, aka the somewhat hot husband, and today we are doing grilled chicken on a salad. I am preheating the oven on bake 400 degrees, so let it heat up while I will be tenderizing the chickens. Lovely chicken breast, bought them here in Texas. We went to HEB, pretty thick. Okay, number one is ready. I'm putting a little bit, the first one is ready, and I like a cast iron skillet. It's easy to handle. I put a little bit canola oil in there. That's number one. All right, let me just beat the other chickens. A little bit of garlic salt. Little pinch, and later on I'm gonna do the other side. Actually, you know what, let me do it now. A pinch. Pretty much garlic salt, since I'm a big garlic fan. I love garlic salt on everything. If you don't, then you just can use natural normal salt. And the other thing I like is actually a little bit of pepper. If you have a mill, I even like cracked pepper a little bit more, but right now just to make it easy. Alright, keep those ones here. Oven is preheated on 400. In the meantime, while the chicken is in the oven, I just heated up a little bit of butter in the microwave, because for the broiling stage on the upper side, I will be using a little bit of butter to brush it, to really make it nice and golden, and it will be yummy. All right, I just removed them from the oven. I just flipped them around, and now we're gonna have another 10 minutes from this angle, and the remaining thing left will be later on broiling. So, but now just 10 minutes from this side. Alright, 10 minutes each side. Doesn't sound like much, but it hopefully will be. Now, I'm brushing the chickens with butter, and in the meantime I'm setting this one on broil. Let this one preheat. So now I'm brushing the butter. This is now for the broiling. Gives it a nice little... Very simple. And I like one of these OXO brushes that keep the butter, because the brush has some holes in there which retains the butter. Very nice. Oh, I think it's plenty on this side. You can now finish the seasoning so that now it will stick nicely to the chicken. Since I brushed it with butter, I like the Tony's Creole seasoning, however you say his last name. Give it a nice little kick. The seasoning on this side. Alright, and they're going back for the broiling part. Now I switch the oven to broil, and I move the chicken a little bit higher, and I will set the broiling. Let's make it 5 minutes. Alright, 5 minutes on this side, and then I flip it over. 5 minutes on the other side, and hopefully we have a yummy chicken. Look at that sizzling. Alright, I'm cutting it a little bit short because the chicken already looks nice and brown on this side. You can see how the skin get like nice little crispy touch. And I'm gonna flip it. Let's use a careful, don't burn yourself. Ooh. Ooh. It's hot. I'll be brushing the side as well with butter. Smells already fantastic. One more time, a little bit Tony's Creole seasoning. Sticks beautiful, gives a nice little bite, and another probably 3 minutes on this side because our broiler is so potent. All I like to do for the onion slice, keep your fingers closed. I'm unfortunately slow cutter. And same thing. Time's up. Hot skillet. Look at these chickens. And I take the chicken out of the skillet. The chicken was resting for a little bit. And now I'm just cut it in nice little strips. Oh, it smells fantastic. It's beautiful, long. Look at that. I'm using a little bit of the grease and butter I used. Let the chicken soak it one more time up. Look at this. All right, all that flavor. All right, and I just use a little pumpkin seeds to sprinkle the nice crispy. They add a nice little texture to the salad. A little bit of goat cheese. I personally love goat cheese and goes great with the chicken. Looks great, a little bit white on the green. And last but not least, the chicken gets